Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says MOET is related to option A transfer of ovum in the uterus, option B transfer of sperm only, option C superovulation and embryo transfer, option D none of the above. So let us see. MOET is related to option A. What is MOET first of all? Let us see what is MOET. MOET is nothing but multiple ovulation, and embryo transfer, Okay, transfer. Yeah. Now, why are we talking about multiple ovulation and embryo transfer? Because this is done during artificial breeding. So during artificial breeding, what happens? As I have mentioned in the previous question as well, artificial breeding is a type of breeding where manually the gametes are the male gamete can be transferred into the uterus of the female. But first, there is superovulation which is performed by, or superovulation which is done, which happens in females. Okay, superovulation in females, that is induced by the introduction, or you can say by the administration of FSH, that is follicle stimulation hormone. Okay, so this will produce multiple ovum, and further artificial insemination is done. Artificial insemination or semen transfer. Semen transfer is done. Okay. Then where into the uterus of the female. Okay, and this what happens? It will increase the chance of fertilization, and hence you will get the embryo, and then further the embryo will be transferred. To surrogate mother. For the further development. Okay, so that is what happens. So let us see. MOET is related to transfer of ovum in the uterus. So it is not only, but again, here there is no transfer of ovum in the uterus. Okay, so there is transfer of semen into the uterus. So hence it is ruled out. Option B says transfer of sperm only. That will become artificial insemination, right? Artificial insemination. So that is not MOET. Artificial insemination is a part of MOET. Now, option C says superovulation and embryo transfer. Yes, that is there. Both of them are involved. Superovulation as well as embryo transfer, as I have described. Option D says none of the above. So the best suitable answer is option C. So let us conclude the answer. The answer says option C, that is superovulation and embryo transfer. That is the major process there, including artificial insemination. So here they have mentioned only transfer of sperm only. That's why we are not considering this, because we have to choose the best answer. The option C is the best answer. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you.